customer's full drain artifact. After splicing these to stainless steel plates, weld along the joints. We helped him customize this 5-axis linkage, dual-position automatic laser welding machine. Its XYZ axis is responsible for spatial movement and displacement. Achieve up, down, left, and right control. Make welding positions more flexible. The two axes of a double arch position rotation axis can move the bow up and down while welding. The welding process does not stop. Welding efficiency is higher. The welding head perfectly follows the rotation of the workpiece during welding. The entire welding process is smooth, greatly improve welding efficiency and accuracy. Realize automated welding production. If you also have welding customization needs, you can contact us.